Alright, so we've got it. Comes with a user manual. We'll get this one taken down off of the windshield and we will get this installed and I'll give you some feedback. Alright, step one, you're just going to mount the ball mount to the back of your mirror. Alright, step two, you're just going to add the bracket piece on. I've got it fully bolted in both sides, so it's just ready to slip the mount on. Alright, it's fully installed. I was curious about how it would play out with the temporary sunshade. I've got a different kit that I need to install and put in here. Anyway, mount is in. It doesn't play too much of a havoc with that. I've got the mount turned all the way up to where it is hitting that front plastic piece. The radar detector is installed. The next piece is I have a wire tap kit I need to do up into the wiring for everything up here. And then we can get this gaudy cable out of the way and everything will be perfect. So it's coming along. Thanks for watching. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get two different items into one video, but this is the wire tap kit for the radar detector. I've got three different versions depending on what size prong to put in there. All I did was pull this cap off, which just comes out from up here, and then you're going to pull out the white harness. And for this King Ranch, which is different from some of the other models that I've seen do not have these over here, or excuse me, they have all of these, but those two are two different color yellows, whereas that appears to be white or gray on my middle. But anyway, black to black, and then your power will go into the yellow. So we're gonna figure out which tap works and get it tapped in. All right, before I get this buttoned up, I did just get the smallest pin set in there. I tried all three a couple different times, a couple different variations, different sides, so on and so forth, but the smallest one that will come with the kit that I will link fits perfectly. I will get this cable routed, but as you can tell, works perfectly fine. Let's get it routed, cleaned up, and see what she looks like. Alright, here's the finished product. So this is with the mount and the wire tap kit. It is plugged in, wrapped around, goes into the mirror hole back there in the back, and into the trim, which you saw wire tapped in. But that is the finished product. The last piece for wire management that I need to do in here, which requires taking the whole screen out, is I've got the bullet point phone mount, which I'll do a different video on, but I've got to get the cable for it routed down into the behind the radio, and then you won't see anything in here. So all cable management's getting done and looking good.